Hi, this is Bob Tim. I'm always showing you what my working neighborhood downtown Minot looks like in the winter when there's all kinds of snow on the ground and blizzards going on. But this is January 20th. It's a typical hot July day. And so I thought I'd show you what our city looks like when it's not covered in a blanket of snow. Okay, I'm just messing a little bit here with Zoom. This is the street. Then here I'm looking at across the street was a Wells Fargo bank building, and they just recently, the city purchased it, and it's going to be City Hall. This is a classic old building I like. The most well-known store in that building is called the Gourmet Chef, and it was a little store started by a gal about 20 years ago, and she's just done wonderful with it. It's a huge business now. And then looking downtown, of course, I got to show you my notary banner there, and I have to show you, of course, Timothy's sign for Titus and Philemon Art Gallery and the Timothy Tim Art Studio. And of course, being his art revolves mostly around his two guinea pigs and the comic strip and the books he's written. This is a guinea pig crossing. Magic City Hoagies, I know I've done a bit on them before, and they really have great sandwiches at Magic City Hoagies. You can see the downtown area looks nice, pretty good activity down here. Again, the building I am in right here is called the Heritage Place. Neat old building. I've shown it in most of my stuff for you before. But, you know, besides the city doing decorating, a lot of the businesses pick up with that and do the same type of flowers that the city has put out for everybody to enjoy as well too. So that's an introduction to Minot, North Dakota downtown without a blizzard going on. Thank you.